Hello boys and girls, welcome back. Today's art project is going to be scratch art. This was one of my favorite activities growing up. For younger students, we will be exploring the process of making scratch art paper, while for our older students, we are going to be encouraged to investigate detailed images and patterns on our scratch art drawing. For today's art project, we will need crayons, any sharp object that can be used to scratch with. I recommend using a skewer just because for the fact that they're a little bit more sturdy. A toothpick will work just as fine. Even an old unsharpened pencil or maybe even a paper clip will be fine. White sheet of paper. I found that cardstock actually worked best since we are using scratching tools on it. To make scratch art paper, you are going to start by coloring your white sheet of paper or cardstock with crayon. You are going to color hard so you have a nice vivid shade on your paper. I'm using a tie-dye design from one of our previous art projects, but you are more than welcome to create any colorful design that you would like. Once you have your colorful design completed, you are going to grab your black crayon and you are going to color hard until you have completely covered everything in black. Now that you have completely covered everything using your black crayon, now it's time to have some fun. You are going to grab your scratching tool and you are going to create a beautiful creative design on your scratch art paper. Now let me show you some other alternatives of materials that you can use. If you happen to have oil pastels at home, you can also use those oil pastels to create your scratch art. And the process is simply the same. You are going to create a colorful design. Once you have created your colorful design, then you will grab your black oil pastel and completely cover everything using your black oil pastel. And of course, once you are done with it, then you can start grabbing your scratching tool and create an awesome design. Now, the very last alternative that you can use is, instead of covering everything using your black crayon or black oil pastel, you can use equal parts of acrylic paint and soap to cover your colorful design. And of course, once it dries, you just grab your scratching tool and create a very creative design on top of it. Hope you have fun creating this awesome project. See you next time.